What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 60 and today's topic will be very interesting. So here I'll not be going to teach you guys something new. Here I'll be just going to do some tweak and couple of tricks, and of course we'll be going to develop one rack, and from the rack we'll do some question and answering. And while doing the question and answering, I'll try to change my prompt and I'll teach you guys how to actually use an effective prompt to get the best possible answer from the rack. So basically I got a couple of requests that what are the things we can actually do while creating our prompt. So basically there is no like golden rule available for that. Yeah, obviously you can try to, there are a couple of things like you have to create the prompt in such a way that it should not use a lot of memory, a lot of context, and it should not be slow. And if you make the prompt a little bit complex, maybe of course it will do multiple iteration intermediate like operation, and those will of course increase your token uses. So those things you have to consider, but I'm not considering those things here. I'm just going to focus on writing the prompts, like how we can tweak a very simple way so that you can get best possible answer. It is not going to be very highly technical things. So whatever knowledge you already have, we'll try to actually reuse those knowledge, and on top of that I'll just show you some enhancement so that you guys can actually apply those things in your in your university or in your project, or if you are working for some client, obviously you can use it. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me just move ahead with the next slide. So what exactly we're gonna do here? So load PDF first, and after that load PDF as a vector embeddings into a vector DV. I'll be going to use Chroma DV because I'm just using Langchain framework, and after that we'll just use various prompts to get the best answer. Okay, so that is the thing. So what I'll do, I'll just minimize this thing and I'll open my VS Code, and what I'll do, I'll just create my vector embeddings here, and of course I'll be going to use it from a Streamlit UI. Okay, so first thing what we'll do, so it should be from Langchain. Okay, underscore community dot document loaders. It should be import. I think I don't know what is Langchain community dot document loader. I don't know what is this. So I don't know why this is not coming. Import. So by PDF loader. So basically by PDF. Okay. Load let me see whether I'm able to get this thing. So module, no module name, Langchain community. So basically what I'll do, I'll just change this thing. Now it is working. Yeah, it's working. Okay, so just my version problem. Okay, so then we'll be going to import the recursive character text splitter from the text splitter. Okay, so from Langchain. Okay, Langchain dot text splitter import. Okay, recursive character text splitter. Okay, so let me make it a little bit bigger. Right, it's done. So next thing we'll be going to import the vector store. So from Langchain dot vector stores import Chroma. Right, import Chroma. CHROMA. Okay, and last thing we'll be going to import the Langchain OpenAI embeddings. Okay? So from Langchain OpenAI import OpenAI embeddings. Okay, so all done. So first thing first, okay, one more thing, we'll be going to import OS module because I'll be going to create the vector DB in this folder itself. Okay, so I'll try to persist like this thing. So first thing first, so we'll create a variable called loader. So loader will be by PDF loader. And inside that I'm just going to keep the file name. So file name is actually Veda. So basically it's a it's a scripture from Indian mytho. It's not a mythology. It's like Vedas. Like, so this is Indian, like version of, like, what you can say, like obviously it's related to Sanatan Dharma, but yeah, I'm not going to do all those details right now because it will be a different story. But why I'm selecting this document, because this document we can get a lot of different context here, and my intention is to actually continue this video in the next tutorial as well. So that is why I'm just selecting this video, nothing like that, that I'm not disrespecting any other religion or something like that. Okay, so let me just read Vedas. Okay. So my system is very slow today. I don't know what is the problem. Vedas.pdf, and then we just write docs equals to loader.load, like this. Okay, let's do this thing. Okay, all done, right? Then text splitter equals to recursive character text splitter, like this. And after that, okay, for chunk size, right? CHUNK chunk underscore a size chunk size, CHUNK chunk size equals to 1000, like this. And after that, chunk overflow, so sorry, chunk overlap, so chunk overlap, let me make it 50. Okay, like this. Okay, so now what we'll do is we're just going to create a separate variable called chunk document. So CHUNK chunk documents. Okay, so we'll just write chroma. Okay, dot rom underscore documents. Okay, and there I will just write to documents, and then it should be chunk documents, then embedding equals to open embeddings. Okay, and then next thing will be persist persist directory equals to os dot get cwd, then plus, then this and vector underscore index. Okay, right, all done, right. And after that we'll just write vector db chunk documents. Okay, I did a mistake here, so it should be vector vector db equals to this, and this thing will be text splitter dot split documents, and inside that I'm just going to put docs. Okay, all done. Vector db dot persist, right? So that's it. Let me now execute this thing. So if I execute, I'll be going to see there is a vector index will be created with this name slash vector index in the folder. Okay, so let's do it and wait. And if you see here, it's created. Inside that, the indexing and embedding will be going to be stored. So it's done, completed. Okay, so now what we'll do, we're just going to use this thing in our actual rack. So our data vector embeddings are ready. Now we'll be going to set up the rack. Okay, so let's close this thing and just going to create a file called vec.py. Okay, so this will be our main file. Okay, okay. So let's try to like import those modules. So what are the module will be going to require? So I think I required Langchain underscore community from Langchain underscore community dot vector stores import chroma. Okay, next thing will be OpenAI embedding. So from Langchain OpenAI, so it should be import chat OpenAI and OpenAI embeddings, right? All done. Next thing will be from Langchain dot chains. Okay, import LLM chain. So CHAIN chain. Okay, and last thing will be prompt. So from Langchain dot prompts import prompt template, right? Okay, all done. Okay, and last thing will be from streamlit as st. Okay, everything is done. So first thing first, we'll be going to create a streamlit UI first. So st dot title. So dot ple import. It should be import. Okay, title, and their title will be what? Just thinking. Talk to me, something like that. Just something like this. Nothing like this. st dot write prompt prompting example with drag, right? Now first thing first, we'll be going to like store our vector database, sorry, the information inside the vector database into this variable. I'll just create a vector db, and then it should be again chroma, this chroma, right? Then persist directory, so it should be persist directory, and there I'll be just going to write this name. Okay, same thing, not name, this location, copy, okay, right? Embedding function equals to OpenAI embedding. Okay, all done. Right, now uh, we'll do prompt underscore template equals to, now the main prompt template is coming. So basically I have created already some prompts here, so I'll explain this thing. So just to avoid some time, what I'll just copy and paste this prompt first. Okay, okay, see the prompt. You are a very smart AI assistant who is very good in explaining and expressing answer for anything asked by the user. User will ask question as user. You must give answer with a detailed explanation based on the context only. You must flow this very strictly. Don't use anything else other than the given context. If no related information found from the context, just reply with I don't know. This is very important, right? So this is done. Now what will happen? We'll be going to set our LLM equals to chat OpenAI. This model equals to GPT-4, right? Then temperature, right? I don't think temperature is required. I just write max token, max underscore tokens, right? Okay, then QA chain, just create a variable, so it should be LLM chain, and there I'll be just going to write LLM equals to this variable LLM equals to LLM. Okay, and prompt prompt equals to uh, from template dot from template. Okay, so it should be from template, and inside that I will just write from template, this thing. Okay, this from template. Okay, so this from template. Okay, this is done, right? Okay, so this is done, and after that we'll just write question. I just write question, question equals to st dot text area, and it will write just ask your question, ask your question. Okay, simply. And then couple of things like if um, what is this if question, because this question is my thing. Okay, if question uh, is not none. Okay, just hold on. Then it should be if. Then button, button, button equals to st dot button, and inside that submit. Okay, done, right? If button is pressed, then what is actually going to happen, we'll be going to create something called relevant document rd. Rd is equals to vector dv dot similarity search, and inside that we'll be going to write this question and how many documents I want to get written. Let's say 3 documents will be coming. Right after that, what we'll do, we'll just write context equals to blank, right? And then what will happen, for d in rd, like this rd, and we'll be just going to append that. So context, okay, context equals to class equals to d dot page underscore content, right? All done. Okay, now what will happen, now response, okay, a variable response equals to qhn, right? Qhn dot invoke. Okay, what are the variable I have in the prompt? Question and context. So basically what we'll do, just write like this. So question variable stands for something called question, right? This question. And context variable, this context variable is actually coming from this context. Okay, so comma double quote context equals to context. Hold on, right? Result equals to response of text, right? Okay, then st dot write equals to result. Okay, that's it. Okay, so let's ask some question. Okay, so first let's write streamlit run. Okay, it will be rag dot. Okay, all done. So let's ask some question. Import OS not defined. Okay, which line I use OS? Let me check. Okay, this line. So I have to just write here import OS. Okay, and after that we'll just go here and refresh the page. Okay. um, Evolution of Vedas from past to the recent. Past to from the past from the past to today's time. Okay. Okay. So let's ask this question and let's see whether I'm getting something or not. So let's see. So it's doing something. Okay. So let's see. Hopefully it will generate something, and after that we'll just tweak our prompt and we'll try to get some more refined answer. Okay. So let's see. So yep. So it gets some answer, but if you see, it is a very flat answer, right? And the answer like is not very detailed. So what I'll do, we'll just try to make it little bit like detail. So now what I'll do, I'll just go to the prompt and just I try to just change this thing with this thing. So let's copy this thing and go here and change my prompt here. Okay. Now you see, you are very smart AI assistant who is very good in explaining and expressing answer for anything asked by the user. User will ask question as question. You must give answer with detailed explanation with bullets, heading, subheading, etc. based on the context only. So this line is new. Okay. I'm saying that the answer should not be flat. You should use like some title, heading, subheadings, everything. You must follow this very strictly. Don't use anything else other than the given context. No related information found, then you just so don't know. And always rename the title, heading, subheading in your answer, but keep the meaning same. Like, so you should not use the same heading whatever is written in the book. Just try to use your own. So that is done. So it's a very very important hack. We just try to instruct our LLM to actually like format the answer intelligent in an intelligent way. Okay. So let's ask the same question. Now you see it should actually structure the question in a very nice looking format. Okay. So let's wait. Still generating and working at the background. Okay. Takes time. Okay. You see, birth and transformation of Vedas, not a simple origin, connection, universe, debugging. Everything is nicely detailed and documented. Now what we'll just try to actually increase my document count here. Okay. So I just 3. So let's make it 12. Okay. And let's see how it is going to react now. Okay. Okay. So this will definitely going to take some time because our context is very big right now. Okay. Okay. Okay, so origin of Vedas, divine nature of Vedas, age of Vedas, controversy around the ages, completion for Vedas. So everything is kind of more detailed where it is coming, right? Okay, now uh, main thing is actually here. Uh, if you see, uh, I increase the document and it is actually trying to give more contextual answer, but sometimes it is not changing this thing. Okay, because I send this thing actually. You always rename the title, heading, subheading in your answer. Answer. Uh, don't keep the same as the thing as given in the context. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's ask the question. Okay, so this is nothing new you're learning, we're just playing around the tweaks. Okay. Okay. Mm, hmm. So this chapter 1 becomes section 1. Let me check whether I have something like that in the book or not. Okay. So just wait. Let me go down, 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 down. Okay, I'm going down, down. Yeah, so it is using section 1. I don't want to use it like this. Okay, so let me restart this thing as well. You must keep the answer with the detailed explanation bullet heading, subheading, etc. based on the context only. Always rename the title, headings, subheadings, and subheading and uh, uh, and 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 your always rewrite the title, heading, subheading, and your answer, 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 your answer. Subheading and your answer and your actual and your answer. Don't keep the same as the. Don't keep the same. Don't keep the same. Don't keep the same as given in the context, but keep the meaning same. Let me try again this thing. Okay. I don't want this section one, like I don't like this thing actually because it is like directly copying from the document. So I want it to actually write something by its own. Okay, so let's see. Yep, now actually it is a little bit different. Okay, so you see title like this. Okay, good, but still it is actually having. So let me actually write this thing. Always write the title, heading, subheading, your answer, your answer, your answer. Uh, Try to avoid section numbers, chapter numbers in the title or heading. Okay. Let me increase this context. It is obviously going to increase the prompt actually. The token usage is also going to be increased, but there is no other option because it is uh, copying everything word by word from the actually from this thing from the PDF. Okay, that is what I don't want. Okay, Okay. Okay, how much time this is going to take? Okay, let me see. Still doing something. So answer is very detailed. That answer was not coming in the last time when actually I didn't mention that heading and other things. But yeah, now it is fine. Okay. So bingo. So that is what we are expecting, the evolution of Vedas through time. Okay. Very cool. So let's ask some more question. Okay. So uh, impact of Vedas knowledge in Vedas knowledge the in the in the present world right now, in the present world. Okay, let's see the last question. So maximum context length token is however you requested the message. Okay, so it is saying that context length is actually change 8097 messages in completion. So however you requested 9192 second invalid requested. Okay, so it is saying that context length exceed. Okay, so maybe what I do, maybe let me increase this thing and let's try. Okay. Mm, this model maximum context length is 8192 tokens. However, you requested 10,000 tokens. Okay, let me check. Let me check like how to actually increase. Mm, GPT-4 hyphen turbo. Okay, let's see. Okay, now it is saying that I don't know because there is no such information available here. Okay, so mm, impact of Vedas knowledge. Uh, what knowledge Vedas Vedas gives to us. So let's ask the same question again. You should not give I don't know actually. Some knowledge aspect is definitely there. The impact was not there, but obviously we should get some knowledge. Okay, so let's see. Still, it is taking time. Okay. Okay, I think it is going to generate something like very detailed and uh, well documented, of course. Okay, because it's taking time. Okay, still taking, yeah, understanding the knowledge imparted by the Vedas. So basically, it's completely reframe the wording, sentence, and everything. Okay, see, spiritual knowledge, philosophical insight, practical wisdom, scientific aspect is there, ethical conducts. It's very detailed, very detailed. So because actually I use this templated font here, like explanation with bullets, headings, subheadings. I use this additional two sentences, and because of that, my answer became like so beautiful, right? And you can actually even present this sort of answer to any journals, or if you are trying to present something to your executive director, or maybe if you want to present something to your board member, whatever, I don't know, like it depends, right? So basically if you want to get some best answer from your rack, so you have to make sure you are using like most efficient like prompt template, or else it will be not good always. And always remember that there is nothing called accurate or the best in templating or prompt template. Always you will get an opportunity to improve it. Like if you see here, I spend almost half an hour and I use multiple permutation combination to actually get a get a prompt which gives me a satisfied answer. You cannot say that this is the best answer. System cannot give you best, can't give like a better answer from this best version. Always there is a scope of improvement, right? So that is what the ultimate gist of the tutorial, that how to actually tweak or hack your uh, prompting techniques, or how to use better prompt template to get the best answer from your RAG. Okay, so with that aspect, I'll be just going to conclude the video over here. But before I conclude the video, I'd like to request a couple of things from you guys. So guys, if you're watching this video for the first time, or if you came to my channel for the first time, just try to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification, so you should not miss any videos from the beginning. And also it is recommended, just go to my channel, search for this Langchain playlist and try to watch it from the beginning, because this is tutorial number 60. Before that I already posted 59 videos, right? So you must watch those videos, because if you don't watch those videos, like, your knowledge will be incomplete. Okay, and last but not least, if you are already watching my videos and channel, but if you're still not subscribing, please subscribe to our channel. It's a humble request. Your one subscription will help us to actually reach a larger number of audience, and until and unless you guys are not helping me to reach larger number of audience, my channel will not get promoted or not get the highest like visibility by the Google, right? So please help me to grow, and I will always come back with like better quality content. Okay, so with that note, I'll be just going to conclude the video over here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning.